Right there. So look, everybody's coming over because they know I'm here. They want an adjustment. Listen, one at a time. Take a number. I'm gonna just check your atlas right here. There we go.
Good boy.
There we go. Ooh, that one cracked.
You're always so curious about what we do, so now you get the benefits.
Okay, that's done.
Good job.
All right, this stuff is like gold. It's animal cracker for the animal cracker chiropractor here. And the goats love me the most, I might say. They follow me around. I don't know if they just like me or it's because I have the cookies. It's probably the cookies.